Runkeeper Honest Review, watch before using. Runkeeper is a popular fitness app designed to help you track, monitor, and improve your running and fitness activities. Whether you're a casual jogger or a dedicated marathon runner, Runkeeper offers a comprehensive platform to guide you through your fitness journey. In this review, we'll cover its key features, user experience, and help you determine if it's the right app for you. Key features. Runkeeper provides a robust set of features tailored for runners of all levels. From GPS-based activity tracking to detailed performance analytics, it offers real-time stats such as pace, distance, and duration. You can set goals, track progress, and even join challenges to stay motivated. Additionally, Runkeeper integrates seamlessly with other fitness platforms and smart devices, making it easy to sync and compare your data across multiple devices. Who is it made for? Runkeeper caters to a wide audience, from beginners looking to log their first 5K to seasoned athletes preparing for ultramarathons. Its simplicity and extensive feature set ensure that both casual users and serious athletes can benefit. The intuitive interface and customization options make it accessible yet powerful, ensuring a personalized fitness experience. User experience. Navigating Runkeeper is straightforward. The interface is clean and easy to use, with a focus on simplicity. Setting up an account is quick, and tracking activities is as easy as pressing Start. The app provides actionable insights that are easy to understand, offering valuable feedback on your performance. However, it's worth noting that occasional bugs or lag may occur during long tracking sessions. Performance and pricing. Runkeeper offers a free version with essential features, but its premium subscription unlocks advanced insights, coaching, and offline capabilities. The premium version provides a more comprehensive experience for serious fitness enthusiasts who want a deeper understanding of their progress. Final verdict. Runkeeper is a reliable fitness app with a strong focus on running and tracking progress. Its extensive features, ease of use, and community support make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey. Whether you're aiming to improve your pace or just want to stay motivated, Runkeeper delivers a solid, user-centric experience. Just be aware of occasional bugs and ensure you opt for the premium version if you seek the full range of features. Overall, if you're serious about tracking your runs and workouts, Runkeeper is worth considering.